Hi, thank you very much for being here. In this tutorial, I'm going to teach you how to add the background image in CSS, Cascade Style Sheet. Let's come to the computer screen, and here is the code that you have to put in your HTML or CSS file. You have to type body, then bracket, then background dash image, double colon, URL, and then you have to put the reference or name of your file. Let's try it yourself. Here is the image. You can see body, here is the style tag, and body background image and paper.gif. Let me change the name and we'll show you the effect. You can see there is no image here, so I am going to correct it. Run. You can find the image. So this is the way how to add background image in CSS. Thank you very much for watching this tutorial. Keep watching the next one.